Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD full course 2019, and in this video we're gonna learn how to use the erase command right here. Now as usual there are several ways to access this command, simply by clicking on the icon on the home palette on the ribbon, or just by going to view, then the tool palettes, then click on modify, then you can find the erase right here, or just by typing it on the screen as we learned in the last videos, or just by selecting the object that you want to erase, then click on the right button of the mouse, then you can find it right here. Now if you click on the command, he's gonna ask you to select the object. If I select this circle, simply he's gonna delete it if I click on enter, just like that. Now that was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you will subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.